You guys can see I'm in the bathroom for this video. I feel like the lighting's best in here, and can you guys see me? A lot better now. So you're going to start off with absolutely nothing on your eyes, and I'm going to show you guys the products I'm going to use in this video. They're all drugstore products. Only wearing drugstore makeup, don't tell nobody. But yeah, you're going to need this Ruby Kisses tattoo. Well, any eyeliner you're using. This is dark brown, and let's ignore how trifling the tip is. Like, I don't even know why I look like that. But, you know. You're also going to need, I guess, a little pointed brush. Doesn't have to be pointed. This is just to clean up the eyeliner with. And your favorite eyelash glue. That's pretty much it. So let's dive right into the video and get started. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw a line from the end of your lash line and draw it outwards, and pretty much like draw another line on top of that line to create that cat eye shape. Now me, I prefer a slimmer cat eye, so I'm going to be watching how much I fill it in. So yeah, you're going to want to fill it in now. And honestly, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're going to clean it up anyway, so just fill it in, you know, to your liking. It doesn't have to be perfect once again. So that's what I'm doing here, just filling it in. So you're now going to take that pointed brush I was talking about, and you're going to use this to wipe away any areas you might have messed up on. As you can see, I definitely wiped away too much on accident, but it's okay. I'm going to go back over it with some eyeliner to fix it up again. I'm now going back over it with that eyeliner to make it a little more sharper and precise, but I mean, that's pretty much it for the cat eye part, well, the wing part. Sorry guys, it is hot. Like, you guys can already hear the fan up there and it's not doing nothing, but I'm trying to film this for y'all, but it's hot. I'm not gonna lie, this eyeliner might melt a little. So now it is time for us to do our inner corners. What you're going to want to do is draw a line from your inner corner to your eyelash line, and you're going to connect it and do the same thing for the bottom part to create that cat eye look. And please ignore the sweat dripping to my eyebrow. And just cleaning it up with that same pointed brush. Now all you have to do, that you have pretty much the base done, is put on your favorite lashes. So I'm going to go get those for you. I do my top and bottom lashes, so I'm going to show you how I do that. So now you're just going to put on your favorite lashes. And you guys can, I mean, I'm not going to explain how to put lashes on, like, y'all can watch. But I'm going to show you guys the technique I use for my lashes when I put my lashes on. We also have our bottom lashes here. I'm going to show you guys how I put those on too. Now me, when I put my lashes on, I take my eyelash glue and I put a little bit on the back of my hand. I use the back of this. You can see that's why it has eyelash glue all over it. And I basically just line, you know, my eye with it as if like it was eyeliner or something. then I also take the glue and I put just a little bit on the lash. That way it's extra sticky. Okay, so before I start my bottom lashes, I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm not really gonna explain. I'm just gonna like speak forward, and you guys can see what I'm doing. Now that this side is done, this side actually looks better than this side. I pretty much do the same process for my bottom lashes as I did for my top with the lining. Can you guys see? Other eyes turn. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see more videos like this, then like, comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow my socials. I'll put them right here, somewhere on the screen here. And that's it for this video, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.